सो स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ लेट्स सी कि जो और इम्पॉर्टेंट इवेंट्स हैं इस सारे के सारे टेन्योर के, वो क्या क्या हैं आपकी बुक में जो मैंशनड हैं. लेट्स सी. नंबर 1, 1911 annulment of partition of Bengal. Number 2, 1921 Aligarh College rose to the status of university. Number 3, 1919 में beginning हुई खिलाफत मूवमेंट की to avert the danger of dismemberment of Turkish Empire at the hands of British and its allies. Number 4, 1924 abolition of the institution of Khilafat by Mustafa Kemal Ataturk and the end of Khilafat movement. Number 5, 1923 to 1924 civil disobedient movement which was launched by Gandhi to support the Khilafat cause and was eventually called off. With this, the Hindu-Muslim riots took over the entire Indian subcontinent. Number 6, 1933 Chaudhry Rahmat Ali proposed the name of Pakistan and established Pakistan National Movement. Number 7, 1934 extreme disappointment at the despondency of Muslims and Quaid-e-Azam Rahmatullah Alayh made a settlement plan in London. 1931 eventually he changed his decision and came back to India in 1934 on the request of Muslim leaders, especially by Allama Muhammad Iqbal. Number 8, 1937 the Congress and the allied parties were able to form governments. Number 9, 1937 the Punjab Muslim Students Federation adoption. In this, the demand of a separate Muslim homeland as its objective and made it a part of the constitution. This was done on Allama Iqbal's advice. Number 10, October 1939, Congress ministers resigned office because of Congress disagreement with the British government, and later they demanded Indian support for another enterprise. Number 11, December 1939, it marked as an end of the oppressive Congress rule and Muslim League observed Deliverance Day on Quaid-e-Azam's advice. Number 12, June 1945, Viceroy Lord Wavell and Indian leaders failed to reach an agreement on the constitutional issues in the Shimla Conference. Number 13, October 1946, the Muslim League joined interim government as a political move. Number 14, August 11, 1947, that was the opening session of the first Constituent Assembly of Pakistan, which was held in Karachi. Number 15, in August 14, 1947, Lord Mountbatten, the last Viceroy of British India, transferred his powers to the Governor General of Pakistan. He came to Karachi to deliver his last address. So students, it was basically a new constitutional era or a new era in the history of Muslims. और मैं आपको ये भी बताती चलूँ, जैसे कि आपने सारी के सारी स्क्रीन पे देखा है, they were all the events which took place till 14th August 1947, और ये तमाम तर जो भी events हैं, these are mentioned in your chapter number 1. इसके बाद इसको हमने आहिस्ता आहिस्ता इन द फॉलोइंग चैप्टर्स वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इन डिटेल. सो ये बेसिकली एक ओवरव्यू है इम्पॉर्टेंट इवेंट्स का. थैंक यू.